Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. I hope you all doing great. So summer is fading slowly, but I can see the autumn is just around the corner. So I am sharing a little cozy clothing haul. Simple, minimal and so aesthetic. So without further ado, let's get started. You know what, last year I was very sad to see that because it felt like the summer never wanted to leave, and my favorite season, winter, it stays only for 2 short months. But this time I am very optimistic because weather is already giving us an early chill and giving us a hint for winter season. So let's dive into it. Okay, my first kurta is from Beach Tree. When I go through my closet, to my surprise, I can see that I don't have any white and black classic dresses in my wardrobe. So this time I decided to add one. So this is my first kurta. It is so simple, minimal and timeless. Next is this cord set from Saya, such an elegant addition in my wardrobe. It has an effortlessly charming look, and it is a statement because it is perfect for both party wear and casual wear. Let's take a look for these pieces from Hermes, which is our next brand. This shirt is a perfect blend of soft, breathable fabric and subtle elegance. Border says it all, carrying the transition vibe of late summer and coming autumn season. Look at the view. Wow. I mean, it pure elegance. Let's see another shirt from same brand, Hermes. This shirt has a classic touch with floral prints and embroidered sleeve, and the border you can see. Effortlessly chic. It is definitely a go-to piece. We can see from the brand advertisement as well. I am planning to pair these trousers from both of these shirts. This trouser is from Saya, crisp white with perfect embroidery. I mean, it's just the right detail and a very good addition as well. You can see the trouser itself. I have bought many trousers from Saya because they are same like I have in my mind, some blacks and white. Let's see this. Next is my first ever jumpsuit from Go Snap, and honestly saying it giving me the same all-in-one like trendy, stylish, almost fashion nova look. It worth every penny of mine. Moving on to the Alkaram, the unique cut, the pink soft shade says all about the season. It is fresh, chic, and you can see the feminine. And next, this long sleeveless dress from Alkaram with embroidered border. I can say it is perfect for casual and casual outgoing. Let's peek into some of shoe collection. This is the olive green pumps, soft and comfy from ECS. Another pair from Girls Gang. Let's have a look. It is classy and super comfy. Honestly, it is perfect for party wear. Just look at it. Lastly, this black pair with a black and white trendy classic look and rectangle heel from Valencia. You can see yourself. It is perfect for dinner out. And after this, I feel like my wardrobe for winter is almostly complete. So that's all for today's haul. Thank you for watching this and have a lovely time with me. You can also comment and tell me your favorite pair for this season. See you in the next video.